So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, today we are going to do Meesho online assessment. They offer somewhere from 30 to 35 lakhs for their freshers for the SD1 role. So 0 to 1 year experienced professionals are giving Meesho online assessment, and this problem was recently asked. You can see that some user has explicitly posted it on LeetCode platform in the LeetCode discuss section. Okay. So we can read the question here. Like I will make it easy for you. In reality, it looks very big. The people watching this video and the people in the session, you can read it when you get time. Like I'm giving the link of this problem to you. Okay, you can read it in your free time. But before we go ahead, guys, our student has cracked off-campus SD offer at Amazon and Google, both the companies, at the same time in May. So congratulations to him. Let me take the post link for Krishnakant and mention it in our analysis document so you stay motivated all along. Okay. Krishnakant was a very regular student and he did great job. Okay. You guys also have to do great job like Krishnakant. So let's me write here. Kumar K student. Kumar K student cracks off campus SD offer from Amazon plus Google in May. So this is clear. Okay, so you can also easily do it because you are my student and you can become my student by clicking on that second link. So guys, they are saying that given an array, we have to find how many journeys are possible. Let's say I give you an array of size 5. So 5 factorial journeys are possible. How many journeys are possible? 5 factorial journeys are possible. Like you can say that, sir, first I will go to 5, then I will go 3, then I will go 4, then I will go 1, then I will go 2. How many sequences of length 5 are possible? 5 factorial sequences. So they are saying that please output the best journey. Best journey is the journey which has maximum sum. Guys, best journey is which journey? The journey with maximum sum. So you might be thinking that, sir, but what is the condition? The condition is that in this journey, you are given three arrays. Okay, like you are given three arrays. This is your original 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 journey which you have to do. Now the three arrays which Meesho is giving you is no adjacent array, one adjacent array, two adjacent array. So guys, they are giving you arrays like this. Zero, they are giving you a zero array. They are giving you a one array. They are giving you a two array. Let's say the name of the this array is zero. Zero array, one array, two array. Like this, they are giving you three arrays. Okay. Now you must be asking, sir, what is the purpose of giving these arrays, sir? I am not understanding, sir. Don't worry, you will soon understand. Index, all the arrays will be of n equal to 5 size only. Okay. And let's say these are the numbers given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In the Meesho example, they have taken the array of size 4. Okay, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 2, 1. Then 1, 1, 1. Guys, let's assume that we are given a 4 size array, 3, 4 size array, and we have to do journey from 1 to 4. So, what is the best journey? Best journey is you travel from 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 2. Guys, what is the best journey? Travel from 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 4, and 4 to 2. Guys, why is this the best journey? First you go to 1. So guys, when you go to 1, please tell me, when you go to 1, is there any element alive on the left hand side or right hand side? Is there any element alive on the left hand side or right hand side of 1? React with emojis and let me know, guys. We are going to do this journey 1, 3, 4, 2. First we will do 1. So guys, when I do 1, is there any element available on the left hand side or right hand side? React with emojis. Gaurav, Aditya, okay, no element is available on left hand side or right. So how much cost will it take? no element is available on left hand side or right hand side. So the cost will be the cost of index 1 from zero array. Zero array means no element is available. You add this cost when no element is available on the left hand side and right hand side. So now no available is element, like this is A array, this is B array, this is C array. I have three options. I can add A of 1 to the cost, or B of 1 or C of 1. But I am not allowed to use B of 1 or C of 1. I am only allowed to use the A array. Why? Because when I am putting a number at index 1, there is no element on the left or right. When there is no element on the left or right, you have to use the A array, A of 1. So what you will use? You will use A of 1 to put 1 at this location. A of 1 equal to 1 is the cost. Okay. Now guys, I will put 3. So guys, now when I am putting a 3 here, can anybody tell me, when I am putting a 3 here, is there any number on the left and right hand side of 3? Like adjacent? No, I'm not saying any number on the farther left and farther right. Is there any number adjacent to 3 available before I am trying to put 3? What do you guys think? No adjacent number to 3 is available. Why? See, 2 is adjacent, 4 is adjacent, they both are empty. Because they both are empty, this cost of putting 3 here will be A of 3. Guys, whenever you are single मतलब लेफ्ट में भी कोई नहीं है, राइट में भी कोई नहीं है, तो उस बंदे को ऑपरेशन करने के लिए A of 3 rupees लगेंगे. You will pick the cost from the array A. So done, done. Now this is also done, right? So A of 1 and A of 3 is 3. Now guys, when you are going to index number 2, okay, guys, there are three options. Are there two elements on the adjacent side? Are there two elements on the adjacent side, or is there one element on the adjacent side, or is there zero element in the adjacent side? At max, there can be two elements only on the adjacent side. So guys, react and tell me with the emojis. I will say the first option is that when I am trying to put a, okay, 1 3 क्या लिखा उन्होंने, 1 3 4 2, okay, sorry, they are now saying now put a 4. Okay, let's try to put a 4. So 1 and 3 are done. Now guys, if I try to put a 4, if I try to put a number at 4, see, 1 and 3 is done. Now I try to put a number at 4. Guys, when I'm trying to put a number at 4, how many adjacent numbers are there? This is 4. Here there is nothing. On 3, there is a guy which has been used before. This cell has been used before. So there is one adjacent number. When you are trying to put the number at 4th position, there is one adjacent number which is 3. So because there is one adjacent number, you will use the B array. When there are two adjacent numbers, you will use the C array. So the cost of 4th guy will be, it will be B of 4. This is also filled now. Guys, now the last index you will travel is 2. So guys, this is also visited, this is also visited. This is also visited, this is also visited. So for index 2, how many indices are visited? Write in your pro group. When you are finally visiting index 2, how many adjacent indices are visited? Write the number. जब तुम 2 पे जा रहे हो तो जब तुम 2 पे जा रहे हो, when you are going to 2, तो उसके आजू बाजू में कितने लोग हैं बेटा जो ऑलरेडी विजिट हो चुके हैं? ये 2. Correct, Yash Rajput. Hopefully you enjoyed this type of problem. So 2 adjacent are there which have been visited. Okay, no one is going to explain you in such depth in such long session for a question, but I will do it for you in this country. So guys, tum hi batao, what will be the cost of putting 2 at this place, like filling this? What is the cost? Tell me. Is the cost A of 2 or B of 2 or C of 2? Let's see how much IQ my student have. When I am putting 2 here, there are two adjacent numbers already. So I have the chance either to pick A2 or B2 or C2. Which is the correct answer? C2. Why? You can only use the C array for your current index if both the numbers are visited. Got it? If only one adjacent number is visited, you use B array. If no adjacent number is visited, you use the A array. Okay. Hopefully now everyone understood the question finally. Okay. So guys, I think I have done a good job. I hope now you understand that you have to find a valid permutation of visiting the array. Okay. Now, in the permutation, if you visit an index which has never been visited before, you will add A of I, no adjacent of I cost. If that index has at least one brother on the left or one sister on the right, at least has like not that analogy, just trying to explain. Like even if I cancel the previous statement, if that has like one brother sister on right or left, then I will use the second array for the cost. And if that guy has elements on left and right both the places, then I will use the third array for the cost. Now guys, it's very difficult. There is no idea coming in our mind how to do it. Okay, you might think, sir, but how will we figure out that? How should we travel? This is a very big question. See, in online assessments things like this happen. That's why you need specific training for OA. Okay, now if you have done our dynamic programming course, this problem is doable for you. But when you see the solution, your mind will be blown away. So guys, this is the array. You have to figure out what to do. What to do, where to travel, how to travel. No one knows, sir. Please help me. This is 1, this is n. You have to figure out a valid permutation. I'm assuming you are of the pro batch. If you are in this session, you have to figure out a valid permutation such that the cost is minimum. And you are given 3 arrays: A array, B array, C array of size n only. Size n only. They are of size n only. Depending on the way you travel, the cost will be added for each index. Let's say there is an index I and there is nothing on the left or right. Then the cost of A array will be used. But let's say on the left there is nothing, but on the right there is something. Then you will use the B array. Let's say there is something on the left and right, then you will use the C of I for the cost. Now guys, everyone react with love emojis if the understanding is clear to them and they have no doubts about the understanding of the problem and they like the quality of the problem being discussed today. Clear? Okay, Gaurav Goyal. Now listen. So guys, if you have done my DP course, what did I teach in the DP course? To solve this problem, can anyone give me some easy methods? You know, even if you don't know about dynamic programming, I taught you something, right? What did I teach you guys? I. What will be the meaning of DP of I for this question? Let's see what the Kumar K students are able to say. I will like to look in the pro group. What will be the meaning of DP of I? I am sure you have a good answer for this. What should be the meaning of DP of I? This actually solves the problem. If you calculate everything from DP1 to DPN. But be very careful. Okay. Let's see what meaning people are giving for DP of I. In this question, na guys, DPI meaning is very very deep. At least ऊपर ऊपर का meaning लिखो, मैं उसमें भी तुमसे पढ़ जाऊंगा. ठीक है? Like it basically means that the best way, best journey such that all elements from 1 to I were traveled for sure. Best possible journey of maximum sum such that we are guaranteeing that all the elements from 1 to I have been traveled. Let's see what my students wrote. Like DP of I in this case should mean the best journey. Not up to ith index. This time it means, Sai Harsha, the best journey such that all the indices from 1 to I have been traveled because they can be traveled in any order. So you better be careful. बाद में लग जाएगी आपकी. थोड़ा ध्यान से रहिए. थोड़ा ध्यान से रहिए. No, Yash Rajput, write it clearly in the group. DP of I equal to best journey such that it is guaranteed that all the elements from 1 to I have been visited once. Guys, ऐसा सब लोग लिख दो. डीपी ऑफ आई मींस मैक्सिमम कॉस्ट यार, मिनिमम कॉस्ट नहीं है, मैक्सिमम चाहिए। सुकीरत पढ़ो क्वेश्चन को। डीपी ऑफ आई मींस बेस्ट जर्नी such that all the indices from 1 to I have been visited in the sequence। ये बात को थोड़ा याद रखना, थोड़ा डीपली, ठीक है। So now let's start the fun. Okay, so you guys understood that it is the best journey such that I 1 to I are visited. Guys, I can guarantee you no one is going to explain you this question like I am doing. So put your full effort now, guys. DP of I, let's say like I will tell you something. Let's do some assumption. Like if your assumption is not clear, you are totally screwed in this problem. Okay, so I am saying let's say 1 to n, okay, 1 to n, okay. Dp of 2 means what? There are only two possible journeys, right? Either either you go from 1 to 2, or you like first you visit 1 then you visit 2, or first you visit 2 then you visit 1. These are the two possible journeys. If you talk about dp2 means what? I am guaranteeing that in my journey I will visit 1 and 2. So one possible journey is to go from 1 to 2, and another possible journey is to go from 2 to 1. Everyone react with love emoji. If you understand this then only I can go ahead. क्या सबको समझ आ गया dp2 का मतलब क्या होगा? बेस्ट वे टू विजिट 1 एंड 2, तो दो ही तरीके हैं ना, पहले एक पे जाओ फिर दो पे जाओ, या फिर भाई पहले आप दो पे जाओ फिर एक पे जाओ। ये समझ आ गया आपको? ये समझ आ गया आपको? But guys, there is a one more deeper meaning why people failed in the exam. They did not understand the deeper meaning. This state means what? You go at 1, then you go at 2. Yes, yes. But in the middle, other things are allowed. Then you can reach to. This is the meaning of this. नॉर्मल लोग देख के क्या सोचते हैं कि dp2 के दो ऑप्शंस है, पहले एक पे जाऊंगा फिर मैं दो पे जाऊंगा, ठीक है, या फिर मैं दो पे जाऊंगा फिर एक पे जाऊंगा। ये बात सच है, बट भाषा पे फोकस कीजिए। मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि 1 to 2 का मतलब ये होगा कि जो भी फाइनल सीक्वेंस आ रहा है ना, उसमें 1 पहले ट्रेवल होगा और 2 बाद में ट्रेवल होगा। और 2 to 1 का मतलब क्या है? जो भी फाइनल सीक्वेंस आने वाला है, वॉट एवर विल बी द फाइनल सीक्वेंस, इस दुनिया में जो भी फाइनल सीक्वेंस होने वाला है उसमें 2 पहले ट्रेवल होगा, 1 बाद में ट्रेवल होगा। Now react with love emoji if someone understands why are we discussing this type of pattern. Why? अरे क्योंकि बाद में नंबर बीच में घुस सकते हैं ना। अगर तुमने यहाँ पर रिडंडेंसी ला दी, समझो तुमने बोल दिया कि सर यही दो ऑप्शन है, ठीक है, यही दो ऑप्शन है, 1 से 2, 2 से 1, फिर तुम जब 3 आएगा तो क्या करोगे? तुम ये ऐसे एक्सटेंड कर दोगे, सर 1 से 2 फिर 2 के बाद 3, या फिर सर 2 से 1 और फिर 1 के बाद 3। गाइस रिएक्ट विद इमोजीज। तुमको क्या लगता है यही दो तरीके हैं क्या फॉर 1 2 3? आर these two the only ways for traveling 1 2 3? Guys tell me no, अरे react with bad emoji। 3 को ट्रेवल, if you just want 1 2 3, there are 3 factorial ways, right? Like 2 into 3 6, yeah, 3 factorial ways are there। So if you do dp like this you will be wrong। So guys, what I mean to say now, what I mean to say is that dp2 tells me what? dp2 tells me that one of the ways is that I go from 1 and then I will go to 2. Another way is that I will go 2 then I will go 1, okay, whatever is the best I will take। But when I have to calculate dp3 na, dp3 means 3 can come in the middle also of this sequence. It can be 1 3 2. 3 can come after this sequence also. It can be 1 2 3. 3 can come at the start of this sequence also. 3 1 2. 3 can come at the start of the sequence also. 3 2 1. 3 can come in the middle of the sequence also. 2 3 1. 3 can come at the end of the sequence also. 2 1 3. See all the 6 possibilities. So guys, can you see the meaning what I'm trying to say? In DP2, 1 to 2 means all the sequences such that 1 came before, then 2 came. What happened in the middle, we don't give a F about it. जब मैं बोलता हूं ना, समझो DP2 तुमको ये बोल रहा है, DP2 is telling you that you can go from X to Y. It means that in your final answer, X will come first, then Y will come. But what happens in the middle, you don't give a F about it. What happens before X, you don't give a F about it. What happens after Y, you don't give a F about it. What happens in middle of X and Y, you don't give a F about it. Why? Because when you calculate DP3, you need to learn how to not give a F, because 3 can be put in the middle, here. मतलब समझो 1 से 2 का मतलब मालूम है क्या है, कि जो भी आपका बड़ा फाइनल आंसर आएगा ना, उसमें 1 पहले लिखा होना चाहिए और 2 बाद में लिखा होना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 1 2 को जोड़ के लिखना है, दूर भी लिख सकते हो, बट 1 पहले 2 बाद में, व्हेन यू कंसीडर द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ 1 to 2. और 2 to 1 का पॉसिबिलिटी का मतलब क्या है? If you consider this possibility 2 to 1, matlab whatever you will consider, whatever will be the final answer, in that 2 will come here, then after some time 1 will come, like this. Guys, react with love emojis if you have understood the deep meaning which most people did not understand in the exam. हमारे इधर नॉर्मल डेफिनेशन नहीं चल रहा है, समझ गए ना? हमारे इधर 1 to 2 का मतलब क्या है, कि जो भी फाइनल सीक्वेंस में आंसर आएगा उसमें 1 पहले होगा, 2 बाद में होगा, बीच में और आगे पीछे कुछ भी हो सकता है. और अगर हम 2 to 1 को घोषित कर रहे हैं अपना आंसर, मतलब जो भी फाइनल आंसर होगा उसमें 2 पहले होगा, 1 बाद में होगा, और बीच में कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट दैट ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 2 विल नेवर गेट चेंज्ड. ऑल रिएक्ट विद लव इमोजीज इफ इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ये बात बहुत दिमाग में एकदम डीपली क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे बहुत हार्ड टाइम्स आने वाले हैं. क्लियर? So guys, this is the main thing and I will write it here also. DPI, like understanding, you can watch the video, right? Understanding, you know. Best way to travel the array such that sum is maximum. Sum is maximum as per the conditions given. Conditions given. What are the conditions, guys? If you visit index I and I plus 1 comma I minus 1 are unvisited. If they are unvisited, then you will add what? Sum equal to sum plus A of I. And if one of the adjacent indices is visited, then what you will do, guys? Sum equal to sum plus B of I, the second array. And if both the adjacent indices are visited, then you will do sum equal to sum plus C of I. So you have to figure out what is the best way, and we are going to use dynamic programming for this. Guys, all react with love emoji if it's clear to all of you. Clear? And stay till the end, so you know your mind can get deep thoughts. See, unless you force your mind like this, you'll not be able to solve good questions and you'll not be able to land in good company. So focus. I'll give you this doc soon. DP of I means best journey possible. Best journey possible if you have surely visited indices from 1 to I. गाइज, इसमें डीप मीनिंग क्लियर होना जरूरी है. देखो, ऊपर से आके कोई भी बता सकता है ये डीपीआई है, ये फॉर्मूला है, कर लो. नहीं, आपको समझना है कि ये जो सीक्वेंस जो भी आ रहा है ना आपका, उसको कैसे भी मर्ज किया जा सकता है. समझे बात को? व्हेन वी विल बी ट्राइंग टू कैलकुलेट द फॉर्मूला, हाउ द थिंग्स विल गो, you need to imagine it in the transitional state, right? What I mean to say is that, let's say this is 1, this is I, right? You know the best answer DPI. Let's say you are God, okay? You know the best sequence, like 2, then you will travel 3, then you will travel I, then you will travel 1, something like that. But how will you extend the answer for I plus 1? that time you should know that the answer of I plus 1 is coming from this only, but you will try to put the I plus 1 at all possible places. Okay, like something like that. Whatever is this sequence ना, इसी सीक्वेंस में कहीं I plus 1 को ऐसा घुसाने की कोशिश किया जाएगा. समझे बात को? क्लियर? So these sequences are not independent, they are dependent on each other. समझे बात को? इसका जो सीक्वेंस आया है वो like you can say that, let's say you know the best order for 1 to I. Okay, I mean to say independent, and let's say you know the best order from I plus 1 to n. Okay, let's say तुमको पता है the best way to visit this, best way to visit this. If you want the sequence 1 sequence 2, you can merge them without changing the cost. Why? समझो कोई तुमको बोल दे, अभी अभी तुमको डीप मतलब समझाता हूं क्योंकि बाद में समझ में नहीं आएगा, इसलिए पहले ही बता रहा हूं. ठीक है, let's say I solve this array separately. I know the best sequence for 1 to 5 is what? 1, then 2. Let's assume this. Okay, 3, then 4, then 5. Let's assume this area I solved separately. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो हमारा डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग इन दोनों को भी मर्ज करके क्या बेस्ट हो सकता था वो भी कर सकता है. क्लियर? बट गाइज इन दोनों को मर्ज करोगे तो इंडिपेंडेंटली यू कैन मर्ज विदाउट एनी इश्यू. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाई वी कैन मर्ज? व्हाई कैन वी मर्ज? मतलब अगर मैं 1 के बाद ऐसा लिख दूं ना, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, फिर मैं लिख दूं 2, 3, 4, 5, कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं ये नंबर्स भर रहा था ना, तो 1 का तो एडजेसेंसी का रिलेशन है ही नहीं उससे. जब 2 भरूंगा, 3 भरूंगा, उनको 6 से 10 से क्या ही मतलब है. सिर्फ ये लास्ट नंबर को कुछ मतलब पड़ रहा है. React with love emoji everyone in this meeting if you understand that if there are two independent sequences, they can be merged and nothing will be affected except the ending indices. कॉस्ट उतनी ही आने वाली है. अब जिसको समझा उसको समझा. मैं फिर से बता देता हूं. समझो कोई तुमको बोल दे कि ये तुम्हारा एरे है 1 से लेके 10. ठीक है, अब तुमने क्या किया, 1 से 5 को सेपरेटली सॉल्व कर दिया. ठीक है, you solved 6 to 10 separately. Let's say this best order is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Let's say the best order is 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. You can add these costs without worrying about the condition. Why? समझो तुम 1 के बाद घुसाने चाहते हो इस पूरे सीक्वेंस को. ठीक है, 6 से लेके 10 को, तो भी कॉस्ट उतनी आने वाली है जो दोनों का सम था. क्यों? इन दो जब ये भर रहा था तो एडजेसेंट रिलेशनशिप इसके अंदर ही देखा जा रहा था. जब यहां पर तुमने 2 लिखा, 3 लिखा, तो मैटर करता है क्या कि 6 से 10 भरे हुए थे? वो तो इसके एडजेसेंट नहीं है ना. समझे बात को? फर्क सिर्फ तब पड़ेगा जब तुम 5 भरोगे. 5 भरोगे तब देखा जाएगा 6 भरा है कि नहीं भरा है. समझे? सो इफ यू हैव टू सीक्वेंसेस, let's say one sequence is x1 till xn and another sequence is like, let's say, xn plus 1 till x2n, then all that is going to matter is the relation of xn and xn plus 1. First you do this or this, इसके ऊपर इनकी पूरी माघाता ऐड कर दिया जा सकती है. I was just trying to explain from an upper level. Now we can go to the actual question. So guys, react with love emojis if now you think you are ready to solve the problem. So dp of I is nothing but best journey if you have surely visited the indices from 1 to I. But guys, we need to keep the track of the order. We need to keep the track of the order. So what I will do is, this is I. Everyone write in your pro group. dpi0 means, now I am giving you this document also. You guys can open it up to get your brain refreshed. Okay, the final answer you are getting now. And you need to know this somehow. Only then you can solve it. I found the solution. I am lucky person. So dpi0 means that the left and right guy has already been visited in the best sequence. dpi0 means that I minus 1 got visited, I plus 1 got visited, and then you have been visiting. Matlab, first this guy got visited. Then, even though we are not considering I plus 1, but we will assume that the I plus 1 imaginary hypothetical index got visited. Second, this guy got visited. In the end, I got visited. What is the best answer? क्यों दिमाग के होश उड़ गए ना, उड़ी गए होंगे. So DPI0 means what is the best answer such that the left and right guy has already been visited and I am getting visited in the end. समझे? मैं कह रहा हूं अब इसके अंदर भी डीप मीनिंग है, याद रखना. ये क्यों सबसे जुड़ पा रहा है? मैंने क्या बोला कि पहले आई माइनस वन विजिट हुआ, फिर समझो आई प्लस वन विजिट हुआ, लाइक ये दोनों विजिट हुए, फिर आई विजिट हुआ. तो इसका डेफिनेशन का मतलब डीपली समझो. डेफिनेशन का मतलब क्या है? पहले आई माइनस वन हुआ, फिर आई प्लस वन हुआ, फिर आई हुआ, बट इसके बीच में कितने भी आ सकते हैं, उसको लोचा तुमको नहीं लेनी है. समझे बात को? पहले मैंने समझो ये विजिट किया, फिर मैंने ये विजिट किया. अब इसके बाद में आई अभी विजिट करूं कि पहले इन सबको विजिट करके आई विजिट करूं? कॉस्ट सी आई लगने ही वाला है. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था डेफिनेशन पे फोकस करो. अगर मैं बोल रहा हूं एक्स के बाद वाई के बाद जेड, तो वाई के बाद जेड आ रहा है, बीच में कुछ भी हो रहा है भाड़ में जाए, क्योंकि जेड के बाजू में दो लोग तो होंगे ही होंगे, गारंटी. एवरीवन रिएक्ट विद लव इमोजीज इफ दिस इज क्लियर टू देम that this order only means that this should come after this. What happens in middle? F off to that. Ignore it. This is very hard question. But अब definition समझिए. वो 3 idiots में बोलता है ना, definition चाहिए मुझे. What is a machine? DPI0 means what? DPI0 means what? Best way to do your journey from 1 till I. Guys, in this you will do the journey at I plus 1 also, but you will not count it cost for safety reason. Best way to do your journey from 1 till I, where we are assuming, where we know that I minus 1 and I plus 1 have already been visited in the sequence. Okay guys. So DPI0 का मतलब क्या हुआ कि सर आप मुझे बेस्ट आंसर बताइए such that first this guy was visited, then I plus 1 was visited, in the end I am getting visited. So what will be the cost? C of I plus something. What is that something? We will discuss later. Why? तुमको पता है DPI0 means best way to travel from 1 to I such that whatever was the sequence, in that sequence first I minus 1 and I plus 1, these guys got visited somehow. Only then the ith index got visited. So guys, दिमाग में ये बात क्लियर हो गया, तो मतलब ये तो गारंटी है कि इस वाले में इसका कॉस्ट सी आई आने वाला है. Guys, react with love emojis if this much is clear to everyone. Quick. Nice. Now guys, what can be the next? DPI0 done. Now let's take another state. I will call it as DPI3. DPI3 means, listen to me baby, listen bro. DPI3 just means that DPI0 meant what? DPI0 meant, let me just check. We know that they have already been visited in the sequence. Okay. And guys, DPI3 means what? DPI1 में क्या हो रहा था? We know that they have already been visited and our number came last. Now our number will come first. This means first I gets visited. This guy gets visited first. Then the number of I minus 1 and I plus 1 is coming. Guys, dpi3 means the best answer to travel from 1 to I such that first in the whole sequence my number came first. And I only care about the left and right guy to calculate the cost because my number is first. मेरे कहने का मतलब है whatever was the best sequence, in that sequence I came first and then the I minus 1 and I plus 1 guys came in the future. So in that lovely case, student, what will be the cost getting added? For DPI3 guys, what will be the cost getting added? DPI3 means best answer to travel from 1 to I baby such that I is getting visited before I minus 1 and I plus 1. Let's see what people write in the pro group. I am very eager to see their lovely answers. I support my student. Guys, write in the answer in the Google chat. For DPI3, I am first visiting I and then the number of I minus 1 and I plus 1 is getting visited. तो इसको करने का खर्चा कितना होता है? AI होगा कि BI होगा कि CI होगा? याद ही होगा तुमको. Nothing is in the adjacent. AI, right? The April Pro guys did not write it. I am like a little disappointed with them. What about other people? Guys, do you know that the answer will be A of I? Like, I'm really asking, you know this now? Okay. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys are studying and you know. Okay. Okay, good. Why DPI3 means the best journey such that first I is getting visited, then this and this. So I am getting visited first ना. अरे मैं पहले आ रहा हूं तो मेरे लेफ्ट राइट में कोई भी नहीं है ना. तो जब लेफ्ट राइट में कोई भी नहीं होता है तो क्या कॉस्ट आता है? AI आता है ना. तो DPI3 का कॉस्ट विल बी AI plus something. AI because the ith guy is getting visited before the other guys. This should be clear to you. No MKT, that's your fault. You should have paid attention for DPI3. Write in the group. DPI3 means I is getting visited first and then I minus 1 I plus 1. तो अगर I पहले उठ के आ रहा है यहाँ पर, अगर तुम यहाँ पर पहले आ रहे हो, तुम शादी में गए हो, तुम आई हो, तुम पहले आ रहे हो, तो तुम पहले आ रहे हो तो लेफ्ट राइट में कोई दिख रहा है क्या? नहीं दिख रहा है ना. तो जब लेफ्ट राइट में कुछ नहीं दिखता है तो कितना कॉस्ट ऐड होता है? भूल गए क्या? If you visit I and I plus 1 are both absent, unvisited, sum equal to sum plus AI. You guys forget like that? Guys, now I will be opening the Google chat. I want the answer from you people. Tell me guys, what will be added to the sum for DPI3? DPI3 means I is visiting first and then in the sequence I minus 1 and I plus 1 is coming. Let's see what people are writing. All have written A of I. Thank you for letting me know that you guys are in. I was worried for a few seconds looking at your answers. So, okay. You know that DPI3 A of I will be involved. Okay. Now, guys, another states also coming. Like more states are required. Okay. In this question, like many, you can do this if you have done my dynamic programming course. Or else there is no way because there are similar problems in our DP course. Guys, DPI1 means what? You can see here DPI1 means first I minus 1 got visited, then I plus 1. Means first I minus 1 got visited. This came first. This came second. This came third. First I minus 1 got visited, then I plus 1. Can anyone tell me for DPI1 what cost of I is going to get added? पहले ये विजिट हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. इसके बाद तुम्हारे whatever will be the best sequence na, in that we assume that I minus 1 has been visited and now the turn of I is coming. So what cost will be added? AI, BI or CI for ith element? I opened the Google chat guys. I expect the answers from you. BI, correct. Guys, also write brilliant question if you think this is brilliant question to open your brain. It's very different from normal, right? Right? Okay, good. So guys, BI, yeah, BI, it will be added to our course. Our course will look so good, right? So guys, BI will be added. Why? Because first I minus 1, then I plus 1. मतलब ये पहले विजिट है तो एक adjacent तो BI, इसका BI add होगा. So answer will be DPI1 equal to bi plus something. Now guys, dpi2. Can anyone tell me what is dpi2? Only one state is missing. This is hell of a dp, man. Like even I was a little bit astonished looking at this. Guys, dpi2, only one state is pending. See here, there are four states. dpi0, dpi1, dpi2, dpi3. I know that today's question is above your level, but no problem. Sometimes we need to do things above our level to break the comfort zone. Okay. So dpi2 means reverse order, guys. First I plus 1, फर्स्ट दिस गाय, सेकंड दिस गाय. दीज आर द ओनली ऑर्डर. तुमने सारे ऑर्डर ट्राई कर लिए. एक तो था कि भाई ऐसे चल जाओ, एक है कि भाई ऐसा चले जाओ, एक है कि भाई ये फिर ये दोनों, फिर एक है कि पहले ये फिर ये दोनों. सब ट्राई कर लिया यार, पूरी लाइफ शॉर्ट हो गई तुम्हारी. चाहो तो 6 स्टेट भी बना सकते हो, 6 के 6 परम्यूटेशन लिख के, बट उसे बड़ा हो जाता ना, तो इसे 4 में ही पिटा दिया मैंने. समझे? इफ यू वांट यू कैन मेक states for 1 2 3 3 2 1 because only the last 3 indices matter, right? Anyways, dpi2 means first you visit I plus 1, then I minus 1. First you visit this, then B. So how many adjacent are there? What will the cost for I this time? bi. Then the third. So guys, everyone write yes, clear. If it's clear, what were the states till now? I'm going to open the Google chat. Before we discuss the formulas, if you know the formula, the full problem is solved. This problem is very difficult, so don't judge yourself on this problem, okay? This is one of the toughest problems of DP possible in an OA. And Misho did no pity on you. कुछ दया नहीं की, बस लगा दी सीधे. DPI, 0, DPI, 1, DPI, 2, DPI, 3. याद रखना, इन तीनों के फॉर्मूला निकालने हैं अपन को. ठीक है? Clear? So guys, write yes sir in the Google chat and give me the confirmation that you have understood this, that we have to find the formulas for this. So guys, everyone write dpi0, dpi0. We will first try to find the formula for dpi0. Likho, dpi0 likho. Okay. So guys, now we will go in our pro group. It will, like today I took mentoring of Aditya Shankar Jha. So congratulations Aditya Shankar Jha. And congratulations to our student Krishna Kant for doing such a great job. I really love him. He has done a great job. Okay, you guys also have to do similar job only. Okay, so now guys, dpi0, I will only tell the formula of dpi, 0 in this session. Okay, and dpi, 3, I, 1, I, 2, I leave it up to you people. Okay, so guys, dpi0 means what? Best answer to travel from index 1 to I such that all others have been visited. Means this has also been visited, this has also been visited. It means C of I plus guys, this has been visited, this also has been visited. I am coming in the end. So C of I for this, right? And we don't count the cost for I plus 1. We assume there is a hypothetical index I plus 1 which has been visited. We need to assume that. Plus dpi minus 1. But which state of dpi minus 1 you will add? dpi minus 1 3. React with emojis if you see that dpi minus 1 3 का मतलब क्या था? dpi minus 1 3 का मतलब क्या था? dpi minus 1 3 is following this pattern. That's why you are able to write like this. dpi minus 1 3 means best way to visit from 1 to I minus 1, 1 to I minus 1, such that I minus 1 has been visited before. dpi minus 1 3 का मतलब मैं इधर लिख देता हूं. dpi minus 1 3 का मतलब क्या है कि भाई I minus 1 पहले ही विजिट हो गया. I minus 1 पहले ही विजिट हो गया. उसके बाद i-2 और i-2 है, तो dpi0 में भी तो मतलब यही है ना। dpi0 का मतलब क्या है? dpi0 का मतलब है कि भाई i-1 और i+1 पहले विजिट हुए, फिर i विजिट हुआ है, तो दोनों की डेफिनेशन सेम हो गई है। दिस इज सच अ डीप प्रॉब्लम, माय गुडनेस। dpi0 मींस व्हाट? कि सर i-1 and i+1 is getting visited and then i is getting visited, and dpi-13 का मतलब भी वही आ रहा है। देखो dpi-13 क्या बोल रहा है कि सर पहले i-1 विजिट होगा, फिर ही i विजिट होगा, और dpi0 क्या बोल रहा है? पहले i-1 विजिट होगा, फिर ही i विजिट होगा। दोनों सेम बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए मैंने फॉर्मूला में लिखा dpi0 ci plus best answer of dpi-13, because dpi-13 gives me the best answer for 1 to i-1, and it also follows our rules। हमारा रूल्स क्या है? हमारा रूल्स ये क्वेश्चन में था कि i-1 i से पहले विजिट हुआ है, दिख रहा है ना तुमको? तो ये रूल तो सिर्फ यही फॉलो करता है। सो dpi0 इज ci plus dpi-13। बहुत डीप दिमाग चाहिए समझने के लिए, ये नॉर्मल आईक्यू वाला नहीं समझ सकता इस चीज को, बट होपफुली बार बार तुम्हारे दिमाग में घुसाते जाऊंगा, तुमको समझ आ जाएगा। एक बात तो क्लियर है कि dpi इक्वल टू dpi-1 होगा, ठीक है। और करंट कॉस्ट c ऑफ i आएगा, क्योंकि भाई अपन तो लास्ट में आ रहे हैं, i लास्ट में आ रहा है, i-1 i+1 पहले आ रहा है, तो c ऑफ i तो होगा। i-1 पहले आ रहा है, तो प्रीवियस वाली स्टेट में देखो i-1 पहले कब आता है? प्रीवियस वाली स्टेट dpi-1 जो 3 है ना, इसमें i-1 पहले आता है और i और i-2 बाद में आता है। मतलब ये इससे कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, इसलिए उसको इसके फॉर्मूला में चिपका दिया, तो दोनों कंडीशन जुड़ गई, एंड वी हैव अ फॉर्मूला। React with love emoji if you find it very interesting, very interesting. And now guys, write your thoughts, interesting and things like that in the Google chat। क्या लगता है आपको ये फॉर्मूला देख के? क्या आपका दिमाग खुला इस फॉर्मूला को देख के? That dpi-1, 3 is congruent with dpi0 because both are following the rules, you can merge their formula। समझे बात को? Clear? Good। Now guys, मुझे पता है बहुत हार्ड है, पर तो भी खुद को संभालो थोड़ा सा। Now guys, this is not the only formula possible, there is one more formula। Can anyone tell me which one did you miss? एक फॉर्मूला आप लोग मिस कर गए हो। चलो, ये this is one of the options, there is one more option। See, this is one of the option dpi, this is correct, this is not wrong, this is one of the option। dpi0 means what? dpi0 means i-1 i+1 has been visited and then the i is getting visited, right? There is one more option। What is that option? Can anyone tell me in the Google chat? You can see dpi0 is max of not just dpi-1 3, dpi-1 1, this is also possible। Guys, what is dpi-1 1? dpi-1 1 का मतलब क्या होता है, जरा बताना कोई। dpi-1 1 का मतलब क्या होता है? तो ऊपर लिखा था लेफ्ट टू राइट, लेफ्ट टू राइट, लेफ्ट टू राइट। इसका मतलब i-2, then i-1 and then i। Guys, means this is the sequence where first i-2 got visited, then i-1 got visited, and then I got visited। After i-1 I got visited, and in dpi0 also you are saying after i-1 I got visited, both are congruent। another possibility is ci। Guys, write super brilliant in the Google chat, dpi-1 1, बस ये रहा, हो गया। So dpi0 formula is ci plus dpi-1, 3 or ci plus dpi-1, you will take the maximum of both and you have dpi0 with you। Clear guys? Clear? Very deep, I know it's very deep, but guys ट्रिक क्या है? ट्रिक क्या है? डायग्राम बनाना है। एवरीवन लिखो, एवरीवन राइट एरो डायग्राम। एरो डायग्राम आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, जब भी अब ये फॉर्मूला लिख रहे हो ना dpi0 का, पहले ही डायग्राम बना दो, i-1 i+1, उसके बाद ही i आना चाहिए, ठीक है? लिख दिया। अब देखो, अब तुमको लेना तो i-1 ही है, राइट? तो सारे i-1 का डायग्राम बनाओ, i-1 0 का डायग्राम बनाओ, i-1 1 का बनाओ, i-1 2 का बनाओ, i-1 3 का बनाओ। देखो कौन सा डायग्राम अपना रूल फॉलो करता है। अपना रूल क्या है? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना रूल है कि i-1 के बाद ही i आना चाहिए। सिर्फ यही दो फॉलो कर रहे हैं ऐसा रूल। कौन फॉलो कर रहा है? एक है dpi-1 3 वाले लोग और एक है dpi-1 वाले लोग। मतलब यही दो फॉर्मूला में मर्ज हो सकते हैं। समझे बात को? दैट्स इट। नाउ गाइस, Acha, just a second, wait, guys. We stop the recording for now.